Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would do a little video showing you how I get these sort of mermaidy-esque waves using a hair straightener. And it's quite nice because it's a bit of a combination between a wave and a curl. The tip with this is you don't need to be too perfect with it. Like, actually, the kind of messier the better, and it makes it seem even more natural and loose. So yeah, I use my Dyson curl straightener, which is a cordless one. It's really awesome. I love it. Also makes it easier when you're doing this. You can do it all with one hand, so very, very easy style to do. And yeah, I really like it. It just makes a bit of a difference from my usual curls. Like, I love having my hair curly. I also actually love having my hair straight now, but yeah, it just makes a nice little difference than what I usually go for, and I actually kind of prefer it. It's just a little bit more like chilled out and laid back. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do subscribe to my channel and like the video, follow me on Instagram, do all that jazz. All the links are below.